Starting off the day at 153. That 149 was the previous pull. She's cleaned it up a little bit. Eventually she picked up some fuel in that spot just from giving her another hit. Let these injectors clear out, and just cleaned them up and ran them through the sonic cleaner. Get this thing back to running the way she should. So now that we got a baseline starting point, we're going to get to tuning, and we're going to tune this on both gasoline and E85. Ooh, looks like we got some fork seals that are leaky. Got some lube on the chain, and alright, that was our best E85. We made 165 on this with 82.5 foot-pounds of torque, compared to starting off at 153 and 77 foot-pounds of torque, and on gasoline we made 161. We still got some more work to go back to gasoline. We went straight to E85 on this. So we got to see what modified velocity stacks and bigger throttle bodies did on this one.